How to fix a stock loading screen in 1xbit. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable and fast enough to load the app properly. A slow or unstable connection often causes the loading screen to get stuck. Next, clear the app cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the 1xbit app in the app manager, and tap on clear cache and clear data. This removes temporary files that might be causing the app to freeze. After that, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix app glitches by refreshing the system. If the problem continues, uninstall and then reinstall the 1xbit app from the official website. This ensures you have the latest and most stable version of the app. Also check if there are any updates available for your system. Running an outdated system can lead to compatibility issues with the app. Finally, if the loading screen still gets stuck, contact 1xbit customer support for further help. They might provide specific solutions based on your account or region. And that's it. Now you know how to fix a stock loading screen in 1xbit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.